Hey everyone and welcome to the channel. Today's all about air fryers, those countertop wizards turning out crispy, delicious food with way less oil. Finding the perfect budget pick can be a challenge, so we're diving into the top 5 air fryers under $60 in 2024. Let's see which one earns a spot on your kitchen counter. Number 1, Tasta Crisp Electric Air Fryer, 2.6 quarts. This little guy is a classic for a reason. Compact and user-friendly, the Tasta Crisp is perfect for singles or couples. I love its simple analog controls. Just set the temperature and timer and you're good to go. While it may not have all the bells and whistles, it gets the job done, delivering crispy fries and healthy veggies. Downsides? The smaller size means limited capacity, and the lack of digital display might feel basic for some. Number 2, Instant Vortex 2QT Mini Air Fryer. The Instant Pot brand needs no introduction, and its mini air fryer packs a punch. Similar in size to the Tasta Crisp, it boasts a few extras. The digital display makes cooking a breeze, and the included app offers recipe inspiration. Plus, it comes with dishwasher-safe parts for easy cleanup. However, some users report the app isn't as user-friendly as they'd like, and the capacity might be tight for larger families. Number 3, Bella 3QT Touchscreen Air Fryer Oven. This air fryer takes things up a notch with a sleek touchscreen interface. Beyond air frying, it boasts baking, roasting, and reheating functionalities, making it a more versatile option. The 3-quart capacity offers more space than the previous two, and the dishwasher-safe basket is a plus. On the flip side, the touchscreen controls might feel sensitive for some, and the multifunctionality might come at the expense of pure air frying performance. Number 4, Gourmet Air Fryer Oven, 6 quarts. Looking for a bigger bang for your buck? The Gourmet Air Fryer Oven offers a whopping 6-quart capacity. This countertop powerhouse comes with 12 pre-programmed settings for everything from fries to roasts, making it a convenient choice. While it falls just outside the $60 range in some stores, it's worth considering for larger households. Keep in mind, its bigger size takes up more counter space, and some users find the digital display a little confusing. Number 5, Cosori Small Air Fryer Oven, 2.1 quarts. Rounding out our list is the Cosori Small Air Fryer Oven. This compact option is perfect for small spaces. It boasts a non-stick basket and dishwasher-safe parts and claims to use 97% less oil. It comes with helpful cooking guides stuck right on the unit, which is a nice touch. However, similar to the Tasta Crisp, the smaller size limits capacity and the analog controls might feel less fancy for some.